In this lecture, you are going to learn how to fine-tune the animations that we have added in the previous lecture. Let me expand this animation pane so you can see it clearly. Here, I wish the animation effect of this line to happen after a slight delay after the animation of this title, but not entirely after it, just with a slight delay. So, I am going to drag this to start after 0.3 or 0.4 seconds. Similarly, I am going to reorder this group, that is the logo, beneath the heading and add a slight delay of 0.3 seconds. In the same way, I am going to drag the subtitles animation to a delay of 0.5 seconds. You can also add the delay by going to animations and then delay under this timing section. Or simply you can use the mouse to drag these rectangles and increase the delay. Now let's have a preview. Okay, this works. I wish to have a preview of the slideshow itself. So let me go to slideshow and click from current slide. With this, we have completed the design and animation process of slide 1 completely. Also, you could have learned several tips and tricks in the course of this design and animation. In the next lecture, you are going to learn how to create or edit a slide layout.